the political spectrum, the liberal left and the conservative right. Yini umehluko phakathi kwama-liberals and ama-conservative based on religion, family, economy, culture and politics. So ama-liberals believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu aka-exist, but they believe ukuthi amadlozi awa-exist. If you are an individual and you believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu and amadlozi don't exist, you are a left-wing liberal. If ubelieve ukuthi uNkulunkulu uya-exista, whether is uJesu, uJehova, whether is Allah, whether is Buddha, if nje you are a religious person and you believe in God, you are a conservative. Also, if ubelieve emasikweni and kumadlozi, you are a conservative. Kufamily, if umuntu obelieve ukuthi ifamily umama nobaba kuphela then nabantwana, obviously you are a conservative. If umuntu obelieve ukuthi kufamily kungayenzeka kube umama nobaba, or kungayenzeka kube abobaba abayi-2, or kungayenzeka kube abomama abayi-2, you believe ukuthi ama-gay rights, like gay, you acknowledge gay families, you understand? You are a liberal. If you do not acknowledge gay families, you are a conservative. Nakhona they don't acknowledge gay families because they are religious, uNkulunkulu akavumanga. Nalaba aba-cultural abavumi because isiko alivumi, you understand? Economy, if you believe in capitalism, you are a conservative, yabo. If you believe in socialism and communism, you are a liberal, you are a left-wing. Society, if you believe in LGBT rights, you believe ukuthi members of the LGBT community should exist freely without being oppressed or discriminated against, you are a left-wing. But if you believe ukuthi the members of the LGBT community ababelongi nje, indoda, umfazi, and all that, because nakhona again based on religion, because uNkulunkulu wadala indoda nowesifazane, or because isiko or isintu asivumi, you are a conservative. If you believe in borders, ukuthi ama-borders kumele avuleke, then abantu sonke as i-Afrika sihlangane, or nje ama-borders angabi khona, you are a liberal, yabo, you are a left-wing liberal. If you believe ukuthi kumele siwaqinise ama-borders wethu kungabhizi kungena abantu in our country, you are a conservative. Politics, if you believe in EFF, you are a liberal. If you believe in the Pan-African Congress, the PAC, you are a liberal. If you believe in the ANC, you are a liberal. If you believe good DA, you are a conservative. If you believe good Freedom Front Plus, you are a conservative. And if you believe good Cape Independence, you are a conservative. Good health, if you believe ukuthi wonke umuntu should have access to i-health, yabo, like kumele ngiye noma kusiphi isibhedlela ngithole i-health care ngabhadalanga imali eningi if I cannot afford to, you are a liberal. If you believe ukuthi abantu kumele baphushe to afford i-health care and akekho umuntu kumele athole i-health care mahhala, you are a conservative. So that's the main difference between there are many multiple other differences, yabo, but these are like the main differences except these two political and economic and societal ideologies apart. So when where in the spectrum do you find yourself?